Well, we got it. What do you think? All right, here we are, day 3. I'm a little more awake this time, still really early in the morning. I was unprepared and didn't take all the other videos off of this SD card, and I had to transfer stuff. It took like an hour. So while that was transferring over, we did get to work on this front end, and we started taking it apart. We got this far so far. Got most of the wiring out of here. Caleb took the front apart, and we got the whole like chassis harness completely out of this thing. So now hopefully we can get this engine pulled out. I got to take the intake off here, and he's taking the front radiator and front apart, and that's where we're at. Let's get to it. Yeah. Well, we got it. What do you think, Caleb?
I think it's coming along.
It's coming along.
I also think it's really dirty.
Yeah, it is. I'm planning on taking everything out of here and taking a pressure washer to it. This engine here, I'm probably just going to put it in the back corner and someday tear it down and maybe build it into a good engine. Right now it's kind of beat up, old. Like I said, there's water down in that spark plug hole. Spark plug's still in there, so it's not like water's down the cylinder, but we'll get it cleaned up. This, we're gonna remove everything out of here, take a pressure washer to this whole entire body now that we got all the electronics out, and get it washed up, cleaned up. We still gotta take the tar off. That'll be the next step. And as soon as we're done with that, we can take it over to Adam in Cincinnati, and he's gonna get the roll cage put in for us. Thanks for watching.